Hi! In front of me is Honor Magic4 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can add event to calendar on this Honor. You need to begin by opening Calendar app. Now pick a date by tapping on the chosen one. Then create your event by choosing this plus icon at the bottom right corner. From here, you can adjust it however you wish to. For example, add a title to it. Now set up location. Pick starting hour and ending one. If you don't want to do that, you can always disable this feature by selecting this switcher next to all day. Now click on Add Reminder. Tap on one of your reminders and customize it however you want to. I will go with 1 week before. Then you can also take notes, select your account, and even choose repeat and tap on one of those options if you want your event to repeat, for example, every year. If you don't, just select never. Now tap on this checkmark at the top right corner. And as you can see, my event was successfully created. If you wish to make some changes, you need to click on it, tap on this pen icon in the middle at the bottom, make your changes, and discard them by choosing this X at the top left corner, or save them by clicking on checkmark at the top right one. If you wish to delete your event, you need to click on it again, but this time select the delete icon at the bottom right corner and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!